Happy Friday, everybody. Let's do a page. I'm going to dig in here and get a piece of paper. Let's do this color. Is that only one? Yeah, okay. It's only one. What pattern do we want to do? I don't know. We have a few Alina tiles left, so let's do one of these. Let's feel like that one today. What are we doing? We are doing one called Balljep or Balljep. So it looks like we're just going to start out. We're going to do a row of sets of 3 little lines. So there's 3 and a gap and 3 and a gap and 3 and a gap. And then we're going to connect those 3 like that. And then under like that. And then we're going to put circles like that. That is an interesting way to do that. Not sure that that is how I would originally think to draw that pattern if I saw this. Just if I didn't see any of the step out and I just saw that might not have been the way I would have started that. But let's do it that way, because that's the way it is created. Is this the right piece of paper for that? Probably not, because that's long and skinny. So let's find ourselves a long skinny piece. That's better. That's better. We'll do a bookmark today. I don't know why I'm starting with a pencil, because I've done so many things that start with a pencil that I forget how to start with a pen. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, rows of groups of 3. Then these ones are coming up and around. Because I'm not very good at lining up my lines with my curve, this is probably why I wouldn't draw this pattern in this manner. I'm really not very good at lining up the ends of my things. Okay, and then we're going to go the other way. And then we're going to do this. It does seem to hide some of those issues right there where the connections are not great. And then do a little of this rounding. Just like that. What is going on? I'm getting text messages. My watch is buzzing at me. What is happening? I don't know. Something from work. I will look at it later. I am not on the clock. I do not have to work. Okay. I feel like this needs to go do something at the end. Like that. Needed some sort of ending. And then let's do a little coloring. Let's do a little coloring with what? I know Alina always uses the, I need a shelf over here. She always uses the blue, but I'm not feeling blue for this one. I'm feeling lime green. I don't think that's dark enough. You know what? We're going to start with this color. Make it a little bit bigger in these pearls. And then we'll get a darker color. going to get a little bit darker of a greenish. Let's see what this one does. Let's see what that one does. Okay. I think I want a yellow. Ouch. That pencil is pokey. Okay. I like that. That's good. I think I want a dot of white. Right there, just a dot of bright white. And then I think I want a question is, do I want a, I think I do. Let's do a limey green and a yellow. Do I want that yellow, or do I want a lighter yellow? Or a more fluorescent yellow? Let's do a more fluorescent yellow. Okay, I'm going to do fluorescent yellow on the top of the stripe. And then a limey green on the bottom of this stripe. Oh, that's not drawing. Come on. Draw. I think that's a little light. I have to try a different green. Yeah, I think I need to try a different green. That one's bright green. All of these gel pens and not a green, like a green. That's a blue green. I don't think I like that. No, I don't like that. Green. Back to my colored pencils. I want a green. this one. Maybe this one. Castle Arts hooker screen. Let's try that. Needs a sharpen. Okay. Something like that. That's better. There we go. That looks good. I like that. I'll turn it a little sideways and get you a little closer. Just like that. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I will give this one away. Take it with me on vacation. Put it in the library on our cruise. All right, you guys have a blessed one. I will see you guys later. I need to write down the name of this. This is Balljep. And yeah, go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.